Look, let's be real for a second. The way you were taught to find a job is dead. Sending out 50 generic resumes on LinkedIn and waiting for no reply email is a waste of your mental health. Most people are stuck in this loop because they think they're competing against other people. You're not. You're competing against an algorithm, the applicant tracking system, ATS. If you don't speak the language of the machine, a human will never even know you exist. But what if I told you that you could turn that same technology into your personal career agent? I'm talking about a strategy so fast that you can go from unemployed to signing an offer in 48 hours. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's an efficiency hack using ChatGPT. Today, on Brainy AI, I'm breaking down the exact three-phase framework to get you hired. And stay tuned, because once you master this, I'm going to show you how to flip the script and build your own AI automation agency in our next video. Let's get to work. The first 6 hours of your 48-hour window are dedicated to your resume. Most resumes are chronological, meaning they just list what you did. Recruiters don't care about what you did, they care about what you can solve. Open ChatGPT in 2 tabs, your current resume and the job description of a role you actually want. Let's say it's a digital marketing manager position at a tech giant like Google. Don't just ask ChatGPT to fix it. Use this prompt. Act as a senior HR executive at a Fortune 500 company. Analyze this job description for the digital marketing manager role and identify the top 5 pain points this company is trying to solve. Then, cross-reference my resume. Highlight exactly where I am failing to show I can solve these problems. The AI will tell you things you didn't even notice. Maybe your wording is too passive. Maybe you're missing keywords like SEO or data attribution that their system is scanning for. Once you have the gaps, give ChatGPT this second prompt. Now, rewrite my professional summary using the Google XYZ formula. For every bullet point, show me what I accomplished, X, how it was measured, Y, and the specific action I took, Z. By the time you're done, your resume won't look like a list of chores. It will look like a roadmap to success. It's now hour 12 to 24. If you just click Easy Apply, you've already lost. To get hired in 48 hours, you have to infiltrate the company. This means getting your resume on the desk of a human, not a database. Go to LinkedIn and find the hiring manager or a senior peer in the marketing department. Now, don't send a, "Hey, please look at my resume" message. That is low-value behavior. Instead, use ChatGPT to craft a value-first reach out. Tell ChatGPT, "I am applying for the digital marketing role. I saw a recent news article about their new AI-driven ad campaign." Write a 100-word LinkedIn message to the hiring manager that mentions this news, explains why my background in AI automation helps them achieve this goal, and asks for a 5-minute coffee chat to discuss their current challenges. Keep it casual. When that manager sees a message that actually mentions their company's recent moves and offers a solution, their brain lights up. They get hundreds of "gimme a job" messages, but 0 "I can help you with your new project" messages. This is the Trojan horse method. You're getting inside the city walls before the interview even starts. It's hour 36. You've sent the messages, your resume is optimized, and you've landed a quick chat or a formal interview. This is where 90% of candidates fail because of nerves. But you have an unfair advantage. Take the job description and the About Us page from the company website. Feed it into ChatGPT and say, "I have an interview at Google for this role. Based on the Googliness culture and this job description, generate 10 behavioral questions they are likely to ask. Then, act as my interviewer. Ask me one question at a time. After I answer, do not move to the next question. Instead, give me a grade from A to F, and provide a perfect sample answer that uses my specific background." Spend 3 hours doing this. Practice out loud. ChatGPT will catch things like you being too vague or not taking enough credit for your work. By the time you get to the actual interview, you've already had a rehearsal 10 times. You will sound confident and prepared. Also, ask ChatGPT for reverse questions, like, "Give me 3 high-level questions to ask the interviewer that show I am thinking about the company's long-term ROI. This makes you look like a leader." By hour 48, if you followed this, optimizing for the ATS, direct messaging value to humans, and practicing with a simulated AI interviewer, your chances of getting an offer are 10x higher than anyone else. But here is the Brainy AI truth: landing a job is just the first step. You're using these tools to work for someone else. But what if you use these same automation skills to work for yourself? In my next video, I'm going to show you how to take everything we just talked about, AI communication and workflow optimization, and package it into an AI automation agency, AAA. I'll show you how to charge companies thousands of dollars to do for them what you just did for yourself. If you're ready to stop being the hired and start being the owner, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below with the word hired if you're going to try this 48-hour challenge, and I'll send you my private Job Hunter prompt sheet. I'm your host from Brainy AI, and I'll see you in the next one where we build your empire.